Welcome to Oni Solution. This video is about a basic but very useful tool which is called Link Manager. A link manager is a basic web interface web app which can store your links in various categories, and when clicked on any of the link, it will open that link in a new tab. In each category you can add any number of links, and if the number of links is higher than the space allotted for that category, it will add a scroll system in that category. Okay, each of these links have notes added with them, which you can see by hovering over that link, right? There is also a search feature where you can search your links or notes written over it. So I can search WhatsApp and you can see all the links which have WhatsApp written on this. They'll be visible here, right? This web app is mobile compatible, or you can say cross-platform compatible, so it can open on any device. So let's now see how it's built. So this is built using Google Workspace, using Google Sheets and Google Appscript. So all the data which is used by this web app, all the data is stored in a Google Sheet. You can see it here, right? All the category, text of the link itself, and the notes, all are stored in a simple Google Sheet. Now we will see how can we create new categories and add new links or change the existing categories and links. Basically, how can we add links or edit links? So the process is very simple. All the addition, deletion, update is done in the Google Sheet. So whatever you want to change, you can do it in Google Sheet, and that change will reflect on your web app directly, right? So it's that simple. So let's say I want to add a new category called demo. So I'll write here demo. Let me add a new link. I'll add the Oni website link. So Oni website, and the link is https www.oni.in, right? Okay, right, Oni website. And when I'll refresh, go to that web link and I'll refresh it, and you can see that we have our demo category and Oni website link inside it. If I click on that link, I'll get my site open, right? You can keep on adding links in the same manner, that I can go on and write again demo, some other link, maybe Oni YouTube channel. So that is basically this, right? And Oni YouTube, and you can see when I'll refresh it, I'll have my second link here in the demo, right? Yes, Oni YouTube channel. If I want to delete, say I want to delete the whole tools and utilities section, just delete these rows from here, right? And you can see the tools and utilities are there now in the web app, but as I'll refresh it, my tools and utilities section is gone. So basically you get this idea that we can change the content here, and the links will change accordingly, right? What if we want to change the order? So if I want to bring this demo file in the top, the first, as a first category, what you need to do is just drag the demo, any one of the demo entries to the top, right? So I've bring the one of the demos entries on the top, and when you'll refresh it, basically it will bring this demo category on the first one, right? So you can reorder your categories this way, right? If you like this tool and you think that it will help you, feel free to use it through the link in the description. There's a link in the description which will open a Google form, and if you fill that form, we will send you the link to copy this tool. So thank you and see you next time.